When I was young, the fanciest restaurant in town had a Caesar salad on the menu. One of the cooks would roll out a cart with the ingredients, make the salad in front of you, and then serve it to everyone at the table. It was quite a special show. Today, we're making a traditional Caesar salad so that you can put on a show for your next dinner guests. This is a timeless favorite known for its bold flavors and simplicity. First, grab a head of crisp romaine lettuce. Make sure it's fresh and vibrant, as this will be the base of your salad. Tear it into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are easy to eat and evenly sized for a consistent texture, and give it a good rinse under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Pat it dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner. Next, prepare the croutons. Toss cubes of day-old bread with a generous amount of olive oil and freshly minced garlic, then toast them in the oven until they are golden brown and crispy. This will add a delightful crunch to your salad. Now for the star of the show, the Caesar dressing. Start with mashed anchovies, minced garlic, and 1 egg yolk. These ingredients form the base of our rich and savory dressing. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which will give the dressing a nice tangy kick and a bit of heat. Next, a splash of fresh lemon juice. This will add a bright, zesty flavor that balances the richness of the other ingredients. Add Worcestershire sauce for extra flavor. This ingredient adds a complex umami depth that makes the dressing truly special. Don't forget a generous handful of grated Parmesan. This cheese not only adds a nutty flavor but also helps to thicken the dressing. Slowly whisk in olive oil until your dressing is smooth and creamy. The olive oil will emulsify with the other ingredients, creating a luscious texture. Keep whisking until everything is well combined and you have a silky, delicious Caesar dressing ready to elevate your salad. Now toss your romaine lettuce with the dressing, making sure every leaf is coated with that delicious creamy goodness. Top it off with crunchy homemade croutons and extra Parmesan cheese for that final touch. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and delicious Caesar salad ready to be enjoyed. This classic dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a casual lunch. The crisp romaine lettuce, creamy dressing, and crunchy croutons come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And you can watch another video. Simply click the link on the screen now.